Welcome to our YouTube channel, Clipping Images. Let's start our lesson. First of all, open the Adobe Photoshop software. Creating a clipping path and adding realistic glass reflection in Adobe Photoshop involves several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve this effect. 1. Open the image. Open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Two. Zoom in. Zoom in on the area you want to clip to get a more precise result. You can use the zoom tool, press Z, or use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl++ on Windows, CMD++ on Mac. 3. Select the pen tool. The pen tool is the most commonly used tool for creating clipping paths. Select it from the toolbox or press P on your keyboard. 4. Start creating the path. Click on the edge of the object you want to clip. This will create an anchor point. Continue clicking along the object's edges, and use the handles on the anchor points to adjust the curve of the path. Five. Complete the path. Once you've outlined the entire object, close the path by clicking on the initial anchor point. This will create a closed shape. Six. Make a selection. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Set the feather radius to 0.2 pixels and click OK. And then press Ctrl+J for separate object layer. Duplicate this object layer and flip to vertical position, adjust the bottom. 7. Create a layer mask. After making a selection, click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will hide the background and isolate the clipped object. Then select the Gradient tool and make glass reflection. Eight. Create a new layer. Click on the New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a new layer. 9. Position the new layer. Move this new layer below the clipped object layer in the Layers panel. This is where the glass reflection will go. 10. Fill the layer with white. Select the new layer and choose the Paint Bucket tool, G. Fill the entire layer with white. 11. Adjust layer opacity. Reduce the opacity of the white layer to make it somewhat transparent. This makes it look like a reflection. You can adjust the opacity in the Layers panel. 12. Transform the reflection. Select the Move tool, V, and then press Ctrl+T, CMD+T on Mac, to enter free transform mode. Resize and reposition the white layer to match the perspective of the object and simulate a realistic reflection. Blur the reflection. Apply a Gaussian blur to the reflection layer. Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur, to soften the reflection and make it look more realistic. Adjust the blur radius to your preference. Adjust reflection opacity. Fine-tune the opacity of the reflection layer to achieve the desired level of realism. You may want a subtle or more pronounced reflection effect. 15. Add layer mask, optional. If you want to fade the reflection towards the bottom of the object, you can add a layer mask to the reflection layer and use a gradient to mask out the lower portion. 16. Final touches. You can further refine the effect by adjusting the layer blending mode, color, or adding additional layer styles. Save your image. Once you're satisfied with the result, save your image in the desired format. This step-by-step guide should help you create a clipping path and add a realistic glass reflection in Adobe Photoshop. Remember that the effectiveness of this technique may vary and are key to achieving the best results. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.